This is Bob Dodrill, application engineer with Hilco Incorporated, and I want to share with you an application that was presented to me. And the application was, can you detect a seam in a, a sheet goods or a rolling product to know when the seam went through? So what we wanted to use for this application is we came up with the Banner LM series. It's a compact precision laser measurement sensor. We needed to actually look at both top and bottom because we needed to create a window so that if there was any deflection in the material, I could still pick up that seam. So now I want to feature this sensor just for a minute because I want to use IO-Link to get my information, to get my measurement for my sensor, and then I needed a PLC to create my delta. Now, the LM series is very high precision. So this is the standard material that you can find on the web. A LM80, its resolution is 0.002 millimeter. Now, guys, that's 2 thousandths of a millimeter. To put that in perspective, a standard piece of copy paper is about zero point 0.5. So now we're looking at a very high precision measurement. I'm actually using the LM150 series for my application. Its resolution is 0.004, so it's a whopping double the or half the resolution, I guess you should say. Now, my challenge was to bring that back to a PLC, and I'm using the Turk TX707 PLC HMI, and I'm using a Turk TBEN S2 4IOL IO-Link master block. I'm bringing this information back into my PLC. I'm creating an average, and I have two numbers that I'm demoing. The first one is just the thickness, as fast as I can keep up with it. The second one is actually a rolling average. So as we go through this video, you're going to see this one moving a little slower because I just wanted an overall average happening so I could look at the final thickness. What I have set up is I actually have a standard business card between the sensors, and I'm now measuring a thickness of 1.5 millimeter with my standard business card. Now, I wanted to test that, so I've got another business card, and I'm going to slide it in beside my current business card. I'll try to hold it the best as I can. And you can see that I pretty easily pick up that standard business card. When I bring it in front of the sensor, I'm obviously seeing that difference. So I wanted to take the challenge a little bit further, and I've got a standard piece of copy paper, or printer paper, if you will, that I'm now going to slide in front of the sensor. And when I bring in that standard piece of printer paper, you can actually see that bump really quick as it moves in front. So maybe it's not the full challenge, but for setting it up for demo purposes, I was able to pretty easily detect the difference between just one sheet of copy paper. So this sensor is high precision. We have the ability to integrate that using Turk products. If you have any questions about this application, please feel free to contact me. And again, my name is Bob Dodrill. I am the application engineer with Hilco Incorporated. My email address is bob.dodrill, Dodrill, at hilco-inc.com. And I would like to thank you for taking time to listen to this recording. And I hope it's helped you, and I hope it challenges you to look for applications for the LM150 and any thickness applications that you come across. Thank you.